Hi, this is Stacy with JDS Industries. Today I'll be showing you how to do our Subli-Tru athletic shorts. So our athletic shorts come in 9 different colors. Here's just a few of the colors that we offer, but it does come in 9 different colors. And we have youth sizes from small to extra large, and then we have adult sizes, small to extra large. So definitely check out all the possibilities we offer for these shorts. So I'm going to be showing you what you will need to do these athletic shorts. Either heat tape or repositionable spray. And with these shorts, you can do either one and it totally works. And then you're going to need a lint roller, a piece of foam for inside the shorts, your transfer sheet, and the athletic shorts. So for us to get started, we're going to head over to the heat press. All right, so first we're going to put a piece of foam inside the shorts. So I made it so it's about the same length as the shorts and just a little bit larger, which worked out really good. So once you have that in there, you just make sure it's all smoothed out. And say if you do have a lot of wrinkles, then I would recommend putting a piece of paper over it and pre-pressing. But this particular pair does not have any wrinkles, so I'm good not to have to pre-press it. Next, you're going to lint roll it. And now we're ready to place our image on. And so I'm just going to kind of center that. And I'm going to stay away from more the high side because the shorts just naturally kind of curl the material a little bit. So that way my artwork doesn't have any issues. And then I'm just going to use heat tape. You can use repositionable spray also. All right, then you can top it with just some scratch paper or a Teflon sheet. And we are gonna do these for 375 for 45 seconds. I just wanted to show you this part of it. This particular artwork is actually much larger than what you would want. And so you can see right here how, because of how that material is, you're gonna get a crease in your artwork. So I recommend with these to come down, a good 3/4 of it to help prevent that from happening. For more information and all the wonderful colors we offer in this, check us out on our website, jdsindustries.com, or give us a call on the number below. Thanks for watching.